Hello students, good morning. I am Aniket Jha from APS. The running topic is an extraordinary feat. We have discussed this chapter all around from 4 or 5 classes and we have studied and we have understood and we have some ideas about the sports through that lesson we have learned. So firstly it is told by me you will have to read the text. Reading the text after reading the text you can better understand, you can better find out the conclusion of the passage. It will help you more and more, especially whenever you will try to form answer of the question and you will write question answer. If you will not concentrate on it, then you should not write it clearly, because you have no any idea about the sports according to the chapter, according to the topic, and I think you will be in great loss. So you will have to remember in which condition Jesse Owen had on these gold medals, on these reputation, and which kind of circumstances of her, particularly at that time when she was very, very active to get her destination and goal. It means she wanted to prove that I am the best and I can do and I can win whatever I want. So this matter depends on the people, on the person, what your requirement and how many years after you want to get it. Everything should be calculated, and through that calculation you can reach and you can find and you can get your goal and you can be succeeded in your mission. Like the work done by Jesse Owen. So today we shall try to understand the next para. On 5 August 1936, Owens went on to win the 200-meter gold medal, and finally on 9 August 1936 the 4 into 100 meter relay sprint was won by the American team. This is the matter of and this was the year of 5 August 1936. Owens went on to win. Went on means जीतती गई. Went on मतलब गई, लगातार, कंटिन्यू, इन पास्ट. Went on to win the 200 meter gold medal. मतलब 200 मीटर को जीती, 200 मीटर गोल्ड मेडल को जीत गई, एंड फाइनली on 9th August 1936. Now 9th August 1936 को The 4 into 100 meter relay sprint was won by the American team which included Owens. कि 4 into 100 मीटर का जो है सो फिर स्प्रिंट जीत गई, अमेरिकन टीम ने जीता और उसमें कौन था? ओवेंस भी था। दिस वाज एन अनबिलीवेबल अचीवमेंट। यह बहुत ही सराहनीय अचीवमेंट उनका था, उसके लिए था। बिकॉज ग्रेट वर्क, piece of work done by him and was unequaled for 48 years till the 1984 Olympics, और 48 years तक अनइक्वल्ड था until the 1984 Olympics। कब के ओलंपिक तक? 1984 के ओलंपिक्स तक। जेसी ओवेंस, एन underprivileged young man who could never have dreamt of this kind of fame. Jesse Owens, an underprivileged young man who could never have dreamt of the kind of fame। मतलब जेसी ओवेन जो एक अभी यंग मैन है, who could never have dreamt of this kind of fame, had taken the athletic world by storm in the space of just 4 years। कि इतनी जल्दी इस क्षेत्र में हमें इस तरह से सफलता मिल जाएगी। She had no dream, who could never dream, और वो भी 4 years में। बट by the help of thought, by the help of dedication and by action, he got these kinds of name and fame and won a lot of gold medals। Unfortunately, this great athlete would never be seen again in amateur competitions. The financial situation of his family meant that he wanted to take advantage of his newfound fame to earn money as a professional athlete। Unfortunately, दुर्भाग्यवश, this great athlete refers to Jesse Owens would never be seen, कभी नहीं देखा गया फिर से इन एमेचर कंपटीशन, इस तरह के कंपटीशन में, एमेचर कंपटीशन में कभी उनको देखा नहीं गया। द फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन ऑफ हिज फैमिली, उनके फैमिली की फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन जो थी, दैट ही वांटेड टू टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ हिज न्यू फाउंड फेम टू अर्न मनी एज अ प्रोफेशनल एथलीट। वो बहुत ही पुअर थी और इस एथलीट के माध्यम से उसका लाभ उठाना चाहती थी। एंड बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दैट ही वांटेड टू अर्न मनी, who would be paid for participating in events, but this worked against him as Owen could no longer compete in international events like the Olympics। और एडवांटेज जो है सो एथलीट को नहीं मिल पाया। हु वुड बी पेड फॉर पार्टिसिपेटिंग इन इवेंट्स, कौन जो है सो इवेंट्स के पार्टिसिपेटिंग के लिए पेड करेगा। बट दिस वर्कड अगेंस्ट हिम, लेकिन यह काम उसके अगेंस्ट में हुआ। एज ओवेंस कुड नो लॉन्गर कंप्लीट इन इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स, और इस तरह से ओवेंस जो है सो बहुत दिनों तक इंटरनेशनल इवेंट्स लाइक ओलंपिक्स में नहीं रह सके, where only amateur athletes could participate। amateur athletes ही participate कर सके। this meant that there were fewer people willing to sponsor him, and the large financial benefits that Owens was expecting never materialized। और इस तरह से Owens जो है so large financial benefits that Owens was expecting, जो बहुत बड़ा फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट्स जिसके बारे में ओवेंस एक्सपेक्टिंग कर रहा था नेवर मटेरियलाइज्ड, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हो पाया। टुवर्ड्स द लेटर ईयर्स ओवेंस वाज अपॉइंटेड अ गुडविल एम्बेसडर फॉर द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ट्रैवलिंग द वर्ल्ड as a representative of the country. Owens later traveled to Germany again for the 1972 Munich Olympics. Owens died in 1980, leaving an almost unparalleled benchmark for later athletes. Owens was expecting never materialized. Towards the latter year, कुछ सालों में ओवेंस वाज अपॉइंटेड अ गुडविल, ओवेंस को लेकिन बहुत ख्याति मिली, एक गुडविल मिला, किसका? एम्बेसडर का। ही वाज अपॉइंटेड एज एन एम्बेसडर फॉर द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस ही हैड ट्रेवलिंग द वर्ल्ड एज अ रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द कंट्री। वह पूरे दुनिया में ट्रैवलिंग करता था रिप्रेजेंटेटिव के रूप में। ओवेंस लेटर ट्रेवल टू जर्मनी, और बाद में फिर ओवेंस जर्मनी चला गया, जर्मनी का यात्रा किया अगैन फॉर द 1972 मुनिच ओलंपिक्स, और फिर से एक बार 1972 मुनिच ओलंपिक्स में। ओवेंस डाइड इन 1980, और ओवेंस जो है सो 1980 में इस दुनिया से विदा हो गए। ही वॉज पास्ड अवे फ्रॉम दिस वर्ल्ड इन 1980 एंड लिविंग एन ऑलमोस्ट अनपैरेलल्ड बेंचमार्क, और दुनिया के लिए मिसाल कायम कर गए फॉर लेटर एथलीट्स, जो दूसरे एथलीट्स हैं, जो बाद के एथलीट्स हुए उनके बाद, उनके लिए वो मिसाल कायम कर गए। अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम के बाद भी अगर आपके विचार, आपके मन में कोई दुविधा नहीं है, यू आर टोटली डिटरमाइंड कि हमें अपने गोल को प्राप्त करना है, तो आप आप जो है सो ओवेंस के तरह, जेसी ओवेंस के तरह अपने रास्ते को तय कर सकते हैं। It will provide you more and more motivation, and it will help you how to reach on the top and how to get your destination. So this was the story of an extraordinary feat, and you should try comprehension, choose the correct option. Number 1, what was Jesse Owens' sport? And 3 options are given, and you have to select according to your thoughts, according to your knowledge. Number 2, Jesse Owens was nursing an injured back on, and 4 options are given, and which one correct according to you, and when it was happened. Number 3, at the Big Ten track and field championship, Owens had equaled, and 4 options also in this question, and you have to select which is correct. And 4 number, Charles Rayleigh was, and after that 4 options here also, and you have to select any one is correct, which one is correct. And number 5, the Olympics in Berlin was held in this year, in the year ABCD. You have to select which one is correct. After that, 4 questions in page number 5, and this is number B, answer the questions. So these 4 questions you have to express, you have to write, you have to try yourself. And after that, number C is very, very important. These kinds of questions are 3 types question. Lining is given, and according to the line you will have to solve. If you will feel problem, then I will solve it, but it is very, very important. And here now big questions. Think and answer. In spite of injured back, Jesse Owens was able to, उनको बैकिंग का प्रॉब्लम था, इंजोरिंग था, और फिर भी उसने क्या किया कि वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड को अचीव किया। तो आपने पढ़ा, और पूरा टेक्स्ट एक बार पढ़ जाइए तो और समझ में आ जाएगा। वर्ड मीनिंग के लिए कांटेक्ट करें डिक्शनरी को, डिक्शनरी से कंसल्ट करेंगे, आपको मिल जाएगा। आफ्टर डेट कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप स्कूल के व्हाट्सएप पर भेजो उस वर्ड मीनिंग को, फिर हम लोग सैटरडे को डॉट क्लास में क्लियर कर देंगे। अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लैंग्वेज इन यूज, टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रेज यू हैव टू डू योर सेल्फ and underline the phrase in each of these sentences and state their kinds. You should try and write the meaning of phrasal verb. This is your also homework. Okay, this is homework, and use the picture clues and unscramble the Olympic events, and this is the word, and you will have to find out the scrambled word is related from the Olympic events, and you have to use the picture clues. Okay, you have to use the picture clues. Okay, 8 words are given, and here you have to select to see the picture and figure. After that, match the words with their meaning. Number B and number C, write the meaning of these phrasal verbs. Write the meaning of these phrasal verbs. So, it is very, very important. And here, match the word with their meaning. Also important, and punctuation is not in your course. And listening and speaking, you will have to read. After that, you are able to understand it. Okay, so firstly I want to tell you, you will have to read the text because chapter is already finished by me, and in next class if you will feel any kind of problem, then I will tell summary of the full chapter, and you will able to understand it very nicely. If any kinds of problem you are feeling, then send the message. Okay, in next class I shall discuss chapter number 2, stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. So firstly you should try to solve the exercise because it's help you more and more whenever you will complete question answer, and you will have to write the passage answer. Okay, thanks.